Hi everyone, today I will show you how to make this cool collectible effect in Unity using the particle system. Without further delay, let's create it from scratch. Let's create one empty game object and rename it as effect. And reset its position. I am giving effect on this mango sprite. Change its position and add it under effect. Create one particle system under effect and rename it to race. Change material to default particle so that it looks small. Change start size to random between two constants, which gives two random size particles. Something like 0.02 and 0.03. I will disable mango for now so that we can focus on race effect. Let's make changes in shape. Lowest value for both and angle to 90 so that particle emit from the center. Under renderer, change renderer mode to stretch wheelboard. Change speed scale to 1. Now it looks like race. Start color to random between two color. You can assign any color. Let me assign blue and purple for this demo. It is looking nice. Change start lifetime and start speed to 1. Let's zoom little bit. Change stimulation speed to something like 0.32 to reduce the race speed. Enable color over lifetime so that we can fade color in the center, something like this. You can also adjust how you want. Under velocity over lifetime, make random between two constants. Change value to 2 and -2 or something. So it rotates in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Add emission to 200 so we will have large race particles. Let's reduce value of start lifetime and start speed to make this effect small. Now it is looking better. Let's create another particle system under effect and rename it to circle. Change emission to 1. Disable shape as we are not using it. Then create new material and rename it to circle material. I am using this circle sprite and assign this circle to material. Add this material to circle particle. Change start size to 0.7. Enable size over lifetime and you can make changes on it. I am using this curve. Let's enable this all and restart. Now this is the final effect we got. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe.